Hey guys, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special new listing for you here in beautiful Waterford Trails, East Orlando, right here in the Avalon Park, Waterford Lakes area. It's 1443 Blackwater Pond Drive. Beautiful, huge house, waterfront, pool, 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. You gotta come check it out. Okay, so right when we enter the house, we have the formal living area followed by the dining area. We have a half bathroom here with a closet, and then all the bedrooms are upstairs up this way. You have 5 bedrooms again with all upgraded bathrooms and floors, so you'll see that. And then we come this way into the family area, which is really nice. It's got a fireplace, overlooks the back pond and pool views, and you know, nicely divided here. Then it comes over this way. We have the little pet room here. You know, it's the 6th bedroom. And then we come into the kitchen, which is a nice open, you know, floor concept. We have the laundry room, the access to the garage. You can see the kitchen here overlooking the back. And then let's go check out the pool. All right, so now we hit the pool deck. We have the awesome space here. We have the area for partying. We have the backyard as well for the kids or the pets can run around, and the awesome pond view here. You know, very private, very tranquil here. So come check it out. Come to one of our open houses. Again, my name is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. And thank you so much.